Combining a fuel-injected 502 with a stout 3-speed drivetrain and striking black and red aesthetics, this 1970 Chevelle draws big crowds and big compliments. The beneficiary of a comprehensive body-off restoration, this awesome A-body has been lovingly coated in sweet Tuxedo Black 2-stage that's adorned with vivid Super Sport stripes, and well-maintained panels display tight gaps and straight reflections to round off an iconic look. Decked in attractive medium red vinyl, this Chevy's fully restored interior is nicely tailored. Seating is provided by stainless trim buckets and a factory-spec bench. A lockable console centers a horseshoe shifter, and a padded dash mounts deluxe gauges next to Bluetooth RetroSound audio. Under the hood, you'll find 502 cubic inches of Chevy Big Block that is fed by electronic fuel injection and sends power to a TH400 3-speed. Simply put, this 502-powered Chevelle is some of the coolest metal on the planet. As it sits, it offers a solid cruiser and a unique classic that sets itself apart. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.